Hello and welcome to All About Lifestyle. So I'm here again with a Christmas decor video. It's going to be very simple and affordable decor. So come along and let's decorate the entryway and coffee table. Now to make a reindeer painting, I have used a cardboard on which I have drawn the sketch of a reindeer. Now what I am doing here is just applying the glue all over the sketch. You can use any old paintbrush for applying the glue. Now just sprinkle some glitter. I have used the silver one and let it get stick for 3-4 minutes. And now just take off the extra glitter the way I have done. I have used a paintbrush to remove the extra glitter. Now as we are decorating for Christmas, so I have painted the extra part of the cardboard with brick red color. And yeah, the color I have used is the acrylic color. Now let's arrange the coffee table, where I have used 3 table mats, and these are also glittery, which adds the festive tone to the table. And I've placed that reindeer painting on top of the table. Now these are actually the masala jars, which are going to be the candle jars by just adding these white stones. These white stones I have purchased from a local shop. Now just add the vintage candles and your DIY candle is ready. Now this was my favorite DIY, where I have used a big glass jar in which I have added cotton as snow. Now adding some more cotton to give a fluffy snow look. These are star shaped ornaments which you can get easily, as Christmas is just 4-5 days away from us in a nearby a local shop. And I have added 3 of them. Now adding the Santa. You can add Santa anywhere, but I have added in the center. Now I have plucked some 2-3 leaves of my original plant and now placing it inside the glass jar. And in this way my Christmas terrarium is ready. Now around the glass jar or terrarium I have added this artificial garland got from a local stationery shop. I adore the terrarium, as if the Santa is welcoming my new year with so many gifts. Now this is the original plant which I'll be decorating as my Christmas tree by using the ornaments like Santa Claus, stars and colorful balls. And all these I got from a stationery shop. And these golden small mats, you can see these are actually the tea coasters, and I have placed in between the 2-3 branches of the plant. My tree is giving such Christmas vibes. They say Christmas brings along with it a bit of magic in the air. Yes, I can actually feel it right now, as by watching these candles and glittery reindeer. Now in the same way, I have decorated my entryway or foyer area, where I have used all these same decor pieces. I have added this good vibes only painting, which is actually a wreath saying good vibes, and it is going well according to the theme. I have placed the Christmas tree beside the shoe shelf. And to add some greenery, I have added 2 pothos plants inside the glass bottle. So my foyer area is ready, saying good vibes only. Maybe it is the sparkle of string lights, the sound of Christmas carols, just the overall celebratory mood, or even the idea of a refreshing holiday. It definitely is a combination of the many little things that makes the season ever so jolly. May this Christmas end the present year on a cheerful note and make way for a fresh and bright new year. Merry Christmas to all of you. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and please do subscribe the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye bye, take care, see you in my next video.